Balloon goes up and down in hot, cold water. Wow, Edge. Can you tell us the ingredients that we have?
We have a balloon and a bottle with a balloon on it, and hot water that I cannot touch, and cold water that I only touched.
Wow, okay, so we're gonna show how a balloon rises in hot water and then how it goes all the way down in cold water. All right, Edge, can you demonstrate?
Okay.
Let's go to the hot water first. Plunge it down. Whoa, do you want to know why it does that? Because hot air rises, so it's almost like it's blowing air into the balloon. Or pretty much it is. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, I want to keep it in there.
You want to keep it in there? Well, let's show the audience what happens when we put it in cold water. We got some nice cold water.
It's nice and wet.
Yeah, the cold water is nice to touch. Oh, look at the balloon. It went back down because now that the air is being cooled, it no longer... No, don't do that. It no longer has the oxygen to keep it in. All right, let's try the hot water again because that was really cool. Wow.
It's asleep and then it's awake.
Yeah, it's asleep and it's awake. And then let's make it fall asleep again. So what did we learn today, Scientist Edge?
If we put a balloon with a cup and a bottle in it and we put warm water in it, it will go up, and we put cold water in it, it will go down.
Wow, do you want to show the audience one more time before we end the video?
Okay.
Let's do the hot water again. This is really cool.
It's awake.
It's awake, and then
It's
asleep. All right, is there anything...
I'm gonna keep doing this.
Okay, well, before you keep doing it, you want to tell your audience anything before you go?
It's not. Thank you for watching my videos. Hope you like my next one. Boom.
Boom.